Hey, what's up guys, Fahazban here. In this video I am going to show you how you can earn money by investing. Lotux.ltd company is the largest trading site that provides an opportunity for owners of various types of business to trade and invest. They provide a real opportunity to evaluate the strengths of future investment through the detailed platform. Lotux.ltd has 4 plans. Select the best suited for you. They are bronze, silver, gold and platinum, each with their own unique perks. Each one offers the investor different opportunities and allow you to trade in different ways. An investment system designed specially for online investor to make it easier for you and to reduce administrative expense and maximize profit. You can get 25% after 25 day, 60% after 40 day, 104.5% after 55 day and 175% after 70 days. So all the process is very simple and easy. The link to this website is available in the video description. First of all, create an account here by clicking on sign up. You should do a simple registration. Enter the username, email, password and phone number. After that, fill the CAPTCHA and click on sign up. So here is the dashboard interface. Here you will see all the account balance. First of all, let me show you how to make deposit into your account. You can see here is the top up balance. Click on here. Here you can see you can deposit money through Perfect Money, Ethereum, Bitcoin and Litecoin. This 4 currency is accepted. We will select the currency and then enter the amount. The minimum top up is $1, but your minimum deposit is $10. So you don't make this less than 10. So you should enter at least minimum $10. Then click onto this top up balance and make your payment confirm. If you choose the cryptocurrency here, you know that the cryptocurrency will be accepted from the wallet transactions. You can copy that wallet and send it exactly amount. So when your transaction is completed, your deposit amount will be added to your account balance. You can choose the package from here. As you can see, here are all the packages. You can get 25% after 25 days and 60% after 40 days. Minimum deposit is $10 and maximum is $500. And in the second package, minimum is $500 and maximum deposit is $1,000. So you can start with $10. Choose the package and here enter the amount. And here you can see minimum is $10 and maximum $500. So if we invest 500, we will get $125 profit after 25 days. Click on this invest button. So when you have some payment into your account, you can withdraw it easily. But first go to payment detail and enter your Perfect Money account here, or Ethereum, Bitcoin and Litecoin, and click on save button and your account data will be saved successfully. So when you have amount in your account, you can withdraw it by clicking on withdraw funds. Minimum withdraw amount is $1. Enter your amount here and click on withdraw. It's so simple. Hope you understand this website fully working process. So you can earn money by investing here. The link is available in the video description, so must check it out. So that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.